Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to rig a character using smart actions in Moho. Start by moving your timeline to any frame or second where you'd like the smart action to begin. This sets the starting point for your animation edits within the action timeline. Next, click on the bone you want to use as a controller. This will be the trigger for your smart action. Rotate or move it to define the motion you want your character to perform. As you can see, I'm making this character look downward, as if they're focusing on something below, like a book, a device, or an object in their hands. Let's bring in a couple of props to build the scene. A rubbish bin and a flower. I've added a bin to the scene, and now I'll add a bone to parent it. This will let us control the bin's position and rotation easily. Next, I'll place the flower behind the bin, so it looks like it's inside, as if someone tossed it in. You can adjust the layer order to make sure the flower sits visually behind the bin. For better control, I've added an additional bone to the bin. Now you can see I'm able to rotate it smoothly, giving us more flexibility when animating interactions or scene dynamics. Now I'm going to manipulate several of the character's bones to create a playful interaction with the rubbish bin. I'll adjust the arms, head and torso to make it look like the character is engaging with the bin, perhaps peeking inside.
Remember, Moho only creates a keyframe when you move the timeline cursor to a new frame before making changes. So always shift the cursor first, then adjust your bone or layer to ensure your animation is properly recorded. It's now time to test the rigging, and as you can see, our character is performing the action exactly as instructed. The smart action is working beautifully. Well, that brings us to the end of this short tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more modular animation guides. Thanks so much for watching.